Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And yeah, I get it, the price gapped down quite a bit today, but then the price did start to show some signs of strength. I mean, when you think about where the price was at its lows and then where the price closed right there, I know due to the formatting, because of the gap down, it doesn't look like that much of a distance. But the point is, from its lows to where it actually closed, the bulls did show some signs of progress. So that leads to the logical question of, so is this the start of something bigger? You know, if you've traded long enough, then I'm sure you've seen a stock, and you know that stocks that get beat up in a hurry can produce some very nice bounces. Now, am I saying that's guaranteed to happen here? No, but it has actually already started a bounce. Now, like I said, it's just a question of, is there any sort of true power behind the bounce itself? And my answer is, I have no idea. However, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about a single area, and that area is right here at $5.25. Why is $5.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, a bounce that's actually a bounce, is going to keep on, making progress forward, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that being the case, let's just think about, let's say the price were to come down to $5.25 and then actually break through this green line and continue to separate to the downside. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, you'd literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And going back is not a sign of true strength by any means. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. Whereas let's say something else happens and the price, does actually pull back, like I said in that other situation. However, in this situation, the price actually finds some support right here, does something like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows right there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have progress going in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a true bounce is going to continue to do, right? It's going to make progress. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $5.25. Now, what about levels of resistance? First key level of resistance, just simply where the little miniature bounce that happened today ran out of gas, and that was right at about the $6 mark. After 6, next key level, up at about $6.50. If the price can get through $6.50, then that could definitely start to generate some more organic momentum and bring in some more volume from the technical players that like to play bounces. So we'll see what happens with it, but I know I'll be watching this one tomorrow, so we'll see if this thing can get any sort of follow through on the little miniature bounce here or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.